The E8C153 is a dot-pin marking machine. It is composed of an E8 electronic controller and a marking head mounted on a column. It is a versatile, highly accurate machine designed to equip a medium-sized marking station. The E8C153 is characterized by the speed and accuracy of its mechanism. Its cast aluminum base ensures stability. The column is equipped with a counter for consistent indexing of the stylus at part distance. The electromagnetic stylus assembly moves along 3 axes and can cover a 160 by 100 mm marking window. LED lighting is incorporated into the marking head to provide illumination of the work area. The E8C153 simply starts by plugging in. Its controller allows you to create and store up to 2000 marking files, text, logos and data matrix, via a comprehensive and user-friendly interface. Its power enables to control up to 4 axes. The cabinet is completely sealed, without ventilation, for use in industrial environments. Connectivity is complete with 3 serial ports, 1 USB port, optional Ethernet, and its SIC tool software suite for PC. With the E8C153, you get fast and permanent high-quality marking. The performance of the controller and the wide range of options, D-axis, tag figure, make of this machine a tool designed to provide years of trouble-free service.